Hi, I'm Matthew Jordan with Nestle Professional, and poke is what's trending on menus today. Using canned tuna is an approachable and inexpensive way to get poke on your menu today. First, begin with canned tuna and also some spicy mayonnaise. Mix that up until fully combined. So we're going to mix the tuna until fully combined, and I love this recipe because it looks like spicy tuna that you would find in a sushi roll. Set that to the side, and next we're going to toss our salad greens. I have these beautiful fresh mixed greens, and on top of this, I'm going to take some oriental sauce, which is nice and tangy. And this is going to add a beautiful fresh crunch to the salad. Stir that up until well combined and nicely coated. Next, our brown rice. Now, I love brown rice because it's so nutty and fresh. I cook it all the time at home, and especially being a marathon runner, this really fills me up. We're going to add that to the bottom of the bowl. Take a pinch of our salad greens. Next, a nice big honkin' scoop of our spicy tuna right in the center. Also, we're going to add some spicy marinated jalapeños and orange segments. This is going to give some lift to the dish and also add more freshness. Next, spicy kimchi cucumbers. So good, crunchy, fresh, fermented. This is what poke is all about, is these accoutrements. And it wouldn't be a poke bowl without pickled ginger. This is going to add nice sweetness and color. Add that right to the side of the bowl. And you got to have a buttery rounded element, and that's where a creamy avocado comes into place. Top this all off with some aromatic green onions. And that, I mean, come on, that is a poke bowl right there, California fresh. And that is how you get poke on your menu today.